Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my other video. Today this video we will learn 12 lines on my country. Number 1, my country name is Pakistan. Number 2, Pakistan is an Islamic country. Number 3, Pakistan came into being on 14 August 1947. Number 4, Quaid-e-Azam is the founder of Pakistan. Number 5, Allama Iqbal is our national poet. Number 6, it has 4 provinces. Number 7, its national language is Urdu. Number 8, its national game is hockey. Number 9, Liaquat Ali Khan was the first Prime Minister of Pakistan. Number 10, most of the population in Pakistan lives in village. Number 11, the national animal of Pakistan is markhor. Number 12, I love my country very much. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to watch my new video on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.